Hello everyone, it's day 9 of our Binance Smart Chain meme coin buying challenge while using dollar cost averaging for buying PHC and other meme coins. So as usual, we're going to buy PHC again today, and also we'll look for one out of these meme coins and add to our position. Okay, so we are not buying any new meme coin today, right? So I'm gonna click on PHT as usual. Then we'll click on swap. Alright. So very soon we'll have up to 1000 PHT. So I'm gonna click on USDT, click on BNB, then click here and type 0.0063 as usual. Okay, that's $6 plus. Let me make it 0.006. 0.0052. All right, yeah. And click on swap. I understand. Confirm. All right. Successful. So let me click on home. Now, out of the other meme coins, so which one can we add? Like, which one can we? Okay, let's look at DURT. All right. So let's go to the screener. Yeah, check the chart. And also, I discovered that Dutch Rabbit's market cap is now below $100,000. All right. So also, looking at the chart, see it's currently retracing. Okay. So we're gonna buy now. All right. We'll buy now. This little amount. Click on swap. So you can buy with like about $2. Click on the USDT, PNB, 0.0016. All right. So I'm gonna click on swap via OKSTs. So that just gave us about 5,000. Confirm. All right. Let's check our Dutch balance. So currently we have 8,000 plus DUT. So we got 4,781. The reason is because of the tax. Okay. So all these meme coins we are buying, they have tax fee. Right? They have tax fee. So as you buy and sell, there is tax fee. Okay? So which is actually very good in the sense that you know that if you are buying these meme coins, you want to make significant profit before you sell. Okay, if you don't make any significant profit and you sell, it's like you're not gaining anything. Then also I want to say this: once we accumulate to a certain stage and any of this coin happens to do like 10x, you can decide to sell some of it. All right, part of it, so we can be able to buy back if eventually the price of that same meme coin drops at a lower price. I hope you understand. So that's it for today. So maybe tomorrow we'll look for a new meme coin to buy, like another meme coin to buy, because most of the meme coins we are going to be buying will be old meme coins that has been in existence for over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Until next time, peace out.